Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever ordered clothes from SHEIN and ended up with the wrong size, you're not alone. In this video, we'll cover how to exchange sizes on SHEIN for 2025, making the process simple and stress-free. Whether it's a top that's too tight or jeans that are way too long, SHEIN's exchange policy can save the day. Let's dive right in. First, log into your SHEIN account on the website or app. This is essential because all your orders are linked to your profile. Once you're in, head over to the My Orders section. It's usually found in the top menu or under your account settings. Next, find the specific order that contains the item you want to exchange. Click on it to view the details. Look for the Return, Exchange option. It's often a button right there on the order page. Select the item and choose Exchange as your reason. SHEIN might ask why you're exchanging, so pick the most accurate option, like incorrect size. Now, select the new size you need. Double-check SHEIN's size guide to ensure you're picking the right one this time. It's a quick way to avoid repeats. Follow the prompts to confirm your exchange request. You'll then get instructions on how to package and ship the item back. Prepare your return by making sure the item is in its original condition, with tags and packaging intact. Print any return label provided and ship it back using the specified method. SHEIN typically covers return shipping for exchanges, but confirm that in your account. Once SHEIN receives your item, they'll process the exchange and ship out the new size. The whole process usually takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your location. A quick tip. Always check the return policy for deadlines. Most exchanges need to be requested within 30 days of delivery. And there you have it. Exchanging sizes on SHEIN in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.